Alliance Recruitment, we're based in New Zealand and we're 100% owned and operated by a Samoan family. We're here to recruit people, give the opportunity to people for full-time work in New Zealand as a skilled worker, so trades, carpenter, mechanic, or anyone who's successful with the quota to be able to come over to New Zealand.
Kalilelo me afaise le wo mandi ko inga o le lo ko fia mo se te ma o ke poli cha o foi lang su a se o ka o ba ai pon pan pa lo me ya lo me ke pa na pena ma fa ma cha ka ma fa lang su
ke poli
se ko mai san oh mai ola ese cara ola sa o ya su o inga ke sa nga ko ma ma ni ya ko te e bi sa ya o su o inga se yo na kaya usua i oro bisa maave pa mali
o lawi sua e au wala i se te ma tupe mole mana i manuia e mole puipuinga tau tupe o lo soifua e tua i ai whanau te tina po te maa e aina mai mawhaina na tau noa atu mo so te mawha ana i te tiki ngari ai
ani whaino sa ka koe ko ka maka na o ke polo le whaino e desi loula sa kamas
Samoa Life, le isiua mo tangata lupa Samoa.
O whaingataya o eona tau sa ili se tupe mō maliu, whaipoiponga, a onga le whanau, ta avale, po se whalefou.
Yes! Tahoo! Maua lunga kapa, wa vili mak e ngapa maua. Kupu mangua le kapungia, kopere lo pe maua ngi.
A whio mai nei roi le Federal Pacific Finance, o soso mana onga tau tupe papi.
Oye! Saka ko le whainga luenga.
Federal Pacific Finance, serving Samoa's financial needs.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of the Ministry of Japan, thank you very much for joining us for one of the signing ceremony of the GGP project with the USP. And without further ado, may I just call upon His Excellency Ambassador Centre for his remarks. So, Ambassador.
Thank you very much. Honorable Minister of Education, Sport and Culture, Honorable Seula Yuan, Vice Chancellor and President of the University of South Pacific, Professor Alafua, Chief Operating Officer Mr. Walter Fraser, Campus Director Dr. Fana. Good afternoon and hello. Thank you for hosting this very important occasion today. It is such a great opportunity to be here and for a change of fresh air. Today, on behalf of the government of Japan, I am pleased to sign over a grant of up to $185,862 to the University of the South Pacific, Samoa campus. This grant will assist to renovate the existing building and toilet block of USP Savai'i Centre, as well as with roofing, ceiling, awning, flooring, door, electricity, and dining systems. The grant will also enable the university to construct a new ramp, a walkway between center and outside of toilet block, and install a security fence around the door in order to provide a safe, proper educational environment and improve the quality of higher education service for USP Savai'i Centre students. It also gives me a pleasure to announce this opportunity as this year marks the 50th anniversary of the diplomatic relations between the government of Japan and the government of the United States of Samoa. The government of Japan continues to assist and commit to improving its relations between the government of the United States of Samoa through its GDP city. Congratulations and all the best to the next phase of this program. So,
thank you very much, Ambassador, for the class. So now I'd like to move on to the signing itself. So may I request the Ambassador, Minister, and the VCP to be seated just in front of the Minister will be in the room. And please just open this file. So now may I request for the Minister to give us your
on behalf of the government and the people of Samoa, I would like to extend our heartfelt and sincere gratitude to Your Excellency, Mr. USP Centre, the Ambassador for Japan in Samoa. Our mutual partnership in advancing education in Samoa continues to leave imprints that will go down in history as one of the strongest ties. And the signing of this contract speaks volume in itself. I also wish to commend my colleagues, Professor Upolu, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of USP, for putting forth a much needed proposal which promoted us to activate on the promise to elevate educational support and resources for our Savai'i residents. I worry that what we commence without any further delay, and I sincerely hope that we will all be able to shake hands together to toast at the completion of this project. Once again, thank you, and may God bless you.
Minister, Your Excellency, Ambassador Japan, my senior management colleague, Mrs. Fraser, she's Director of Campus Director Air, Fanafi, Papatana, and ladies and gentlemen, first of all, welcome to our campus. It's always wonderful when we have so many friends come and visit us, and it's always a delight to be able to showcase all the different things that we're trying to do on this campus. As you know, this has predominantly been an agriculture campus, so we are expanding all the time. And one of those really important things was that our people in Savai'i didn't have the opportunity to have the right kind of facilities. And the genesis of this project actually is when we were all in lockdown during COVID last year, and the ambassador and I started having conversations about this. So it was a fantastic time where we actually were a bit more relaxed. We were not sort of intimidated because we were in lockdown. We could actually sit and talk about these things. And I was absolutely delighted that the building we were refurbishing was the first building by Japan in the 1980s. And so it was only natural that I felt that Japan, because they had already built the foundations of such a wonderful building, would help the university realize its ambition. So I was very pleased, first of all, that the ambassador agreed to the proposal, and then secondly, we were able to develop it. But more importantly, that the government of Samoa really got behind us. Now, for me, being a bit cheeky, but this is the beginning of a very long partnership with Japan. We've had a very long partnership in Fiji. Of course, anybody who's been to our campus in Fiji will see that iconic building, the Japan USP Centre. And of course, it's our dream to work with Japan over coming years, coming months, to start thinking about what we can do for this campus. We are expanding our programs here. This year we'll bring engineering to the university. We are already doing a lot for our MBA. We're going to there's a lot of interest for people to study journalism, all kinds of things that we want to make sure that the citizens of Samoa are left behind. So once again, I really just want to thank both the ambassador, the government of Japan, but also thank the minister for your support. Without you both of you, we could not do what we're going to do as a Also, may I add that some changes have already started in this, particularly in society. We have now better internet connectivity than we've ever had. I was there along with my colleagues yesterday in Samoa, and it was wonderful to see that students could actually seamlessly now study from there, because we've done a big change to the way we provide our students with that connectivity. So once again, thank you very much, and to everybody else, thank you again for coming and welcome to the university.
Well, actually, that brings us to the kind of a conclusion of the formal session of the signing ceremony. Once again, thank you very much for coming. But before concluding that ceremony, please, may I ask all the stakeholders to join together for a good photo session.
Situ mau bea
Our lunch recruitment, we're basically
Samoa's natural waters are special. Something goes in there, comes out different. We often wonder why, but after generations and generations, I'm telling you, it has always been that way. Of course, things don't always turn out the way you expect. Foes complaining, right? Because these waters are not just special. They make everything better. As for me, this is my natural Samoa water. The taste of nature in a bottle.